Hi everyone, my name is Irina, and today we're gonna draw together this beautiful peach using the Drawing Desk app on an iPad Pro. This is a really easy drawing, so don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll take you through the whole process and I promise you can absolutely do this. Start by drawing a circle and fill it with light red. You can just drag the color into the circle, but I really like pressing the stem button to make the contour first. Now we have to perfect this shape to make it look like a peach. You can do this in many ways. My favorite one is to use the scissor tool to cut out pieces from the circle. By the way, this scissor might be my favorite drawing desk tool. You can do so many things with it, like resizing and moving things around. As a general rule, it's always easier to start with a big shape, just to set up the general proportions and settings and then work on it slowly. Most of the professional artists do that since it's really difficult to draw the perfect shape directly. Back in the art school, we used to say that you have to find the perfect shape in the process. Now create a new layer and draw a little tail for the peach. After you're happy with it, create a new layer for the first leaf. For drawing and filling, I like to use the marker brush, but I strongly recommend you to try all the other brushes for different effects. Then fill it with color and repeat the process 2 more times to draw 2 more leaves. Please take a good look on the placement of the layers. And remember that all the layers created above the peach will be placed in front of it. Use the undo button as much as you need. The shortcut for it is a 2-finger step on the screen. Let alpha lock everything and start the shading. For this illustration, I'm using the pastel brush. This is a really nice brush that you can use in so many ways. You can draw with it, but also it's very good for shading and adding texture. In fact, most of the drawing desk brushes are quite versatile. You just have to play around with them and discover new ways to use them. You can absolutely use the airbrush for this step if you prefer that, but adding some texture will really elevate your drawing. Take all the time that you need on this step. I promise it makes all the difference. While drawing, I'm changing the brush size and opacity quite often. I'm leaving my brush bars on the screen so you can see exactly what settings I'm using. The peach will have so much more volume if you have the patience to add multiple layers of color on a very low opacity. This is mostly a digital painting job, so the best thing about this tutorial is that you can use my technique to draw any fruit or veggie you want. If you're drawing a different fruit and you're struggling with the shading, just find the real fruit and place it in front of you as a model on a table or near a window. Then take a good look to see where the lights hit the most. Having natural light for this study will help you a lot. And if you practice this for a while, you'll just know how to do the shading without a model. Now let's repeat the same process to finish the leaves. Aside from the green that I used for drawing, I picked 3 more tones, a medium green, a really dark one, and a very light one. But because my brush has such a small opacity, the green tones combine nicely and the final drawing looks like I've put so much more effort into it than I actually did. You'll see what I mean in a couple of minutes. Thank you so much if you had the patience to watch this tutorial till the end. Leave a comment down below to let me know what you think about this video and what would you like me to draw next. Please like this video and subscribe to the Drawing Desk YouTube channel to see more videos like this one. See you very soon with a new Drawing Desk tutorial.